Chapter 2 The Dying Sun. Lin slung the freight backpack over her shoulder, the metal buckle digging into her collarbone as she stepped out of the slim, rusted iron gate. Behind her, the shanties of scrap metal and tattered cloth faded into a haze of no goodbyes, no regrets. The road to the capital stretched ahead, cracked and littered with abandoned vehicle shells, bathed in an unnatural amber light. The sun hung low, its surface rippling with violent orange flares that painted the sky in sickly hues. Lin pulled her scavenged radiation mask tighter over her nose. The air smelled like burnt plaster, and her Geiger counter chirped softly low enough for now, but louder than it had been yesterday. The forecast had warned of solar anomalies, but no one in the slums had cared until the first crops wilted, their leaves turned black at the edges. By midday, her throat was raw. She knelt by a dry creek bed, scraping at the cracked earth with a rusted knife. No water, just dust that stuck to her sweaty palms. The canteen in her bag was half empty. She'd rationed it down to 6. The penny pricked at her when she thought about how long the trip would take. Nature's water was gone, rivers had turned murky, lakes covered in green slime that made anyone who drank from them vomit for days. Radiation, the old scavenger said. It's seeping into everything. She stood, brushing off her pants, and froze when she spotted a rabbit darting into the underbrush. Its fur was normal, brown, and soft, not the patchy, glowing mess she'd heard stories about. For a second, it looked fine, but when it paused, Lin saw its eyes, too bright, almost yellow. She didn't chase it. Even if she caught it, would it be safe to eat? The plants nearby looked okay, dandelions, clover, but their stems were bigger than usual, veins darker. Mutations, slow and quiet. For now, they weren't monsters. But who knew what the sun's flares would do to them tomorrow? Lin adjusted her mask again and started walking. The capital was still miles away, the sky dimming to a bruised purple as the sun dipped lower. Her canteen felt lighter with every step, and the Geiger counter's chirps grew a little faster. The end of the world wasn't here yet, but it was coming, creeping in through the dry earth. The strange rabbits, the burning sun. She had to find water. Soon,